In this video, I'll be fixing the no spray condition on my Bissell cleaner. The issue that I have is probably the easiest one to deal with, but this is probably the best first step you can do in trying to determine what's wrong with your Bissell. So I'm going to turn it on, and like I said, if you depress the trigger, there's no water that comes out of the sprayer end. So it is not working. There's a button on top of the sprayer. If you depress that, you can take the head off, and then you can try spraying again. And there you can see that the water is coming out, so it is working. If the water wasn't coming out when you depress the trigger, you can check that nozzle. But really the problem is in this nozzle. You can see there's some soap foam in there, but there's probably a buildup of old soap, or some soap has been allowed to dry in there, and it's caused a complete clog. So all I'm going to use for this is compressed air. There's other things you could probably use, like a little safety pin, paper clip. You could use computer compressed air bottles, whatever. Basically, I'm just going to spray some air in the back end of this thing. Make sure it's cleared out. Try spraying the other direction. And really just make sure that this is clear. And that's pretty much it. So overall, very fast, very easy to fix this. It could be frustrating if you didn't know what was wrong with it and you just replaced the tank and you weren't getting any spray out of this thing. I know I was momentarily a little bit frustrated, but overall, very easy to fix. If you have a no spray condition and this doesn't fix your problem, I would then start looking at the Bissell unit itself and at the water reservoir tank. Anyway, obviously I use the air compressor, but like I said, there's other things you could use to do this with. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.